Welcome back to Stories TV. I'm Venant, your guide into the hidden stories that shape our world. Now let me ask you this. What if I told you that behind every butterfly-esque graceful flight lies a story of struggle, survival, and even controversy? These delicate creatures are more than symbols of beauty. They're time travelers from the age of dinosaurs, silent pollinators of life, and carriers of secrets that scientists are only beginning to understand. Today, we uncover the untold story of butterflies, their history, their hidden powers, and the shocking revelations that will change the way you see these fragile wings forever. This is Butterflies, the secret life of nature's flying jewels. Opening shot. Slow motion of a butterfly emerging from its chrysalis, wings unfolding with sunlight glowing behind it. Cinematic orchestra swells. Before we dive into the captivating world of butterflies, allow me to ask you a thought-provoking question. Have you ever stopped to wonder why butterflies undergo such dramatic transformations? What evolutionary advantage does this metamorphosis offer? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join us on this journey. Now, let's embark on an extraordinary adventure. Butterflies are older than you think. Fossil records trace their ancestors back over 200 million years when dinosaurs roamed the Earth. Imagine that, delicate wings surviving the same world that crushed giants. For centuries, butterflies have captured human imagination. In ancient Greece, the word psyche meant both soul and butterfly. In Mexico, monarch butterflies were believed to carry the souls of the dead during Dia de los Muertos. But this story isn't just about beauty. It's about power, mystery, and survival. From egg to crawling caterpillar to silent chrysalis and finally to a winged marvel, this process called metamorphosis has fascinated humans for centuries. In just a few weeks, a caterpillar literally dissolves itself into a soup of cells before rebuilding into a butterfly. Light comedy moment. Imagine if we humans had to melt into goo before becoming adults. Awkward teenage years would take on a whole new meaning. But there's more to this story. Metamorphosis is not just transformation, it's survival. Butterflies adapted this way to escape predators, ensuring their species continuity for millions of years. There are about 20,000 species of butterflies, yet many remain undiscovered. Monarch butterflies migrate over 3,000 miles, one of the greatest migrations in the natural world. Butterflies taste with their feet. Yes, their feet. Some species can see colors invisible to humans. Ultraviolet light patterns guide them to flowers. Butterflies inspired military camouflage, medical imaging, and even futuristic materials, thanks to the microscopic scales on their wings. Now let's uncover some surprising facts that will leave you in awe. A butterfly's wing is not just color, it's an optical illusion of light bouncing on microscopic scales. They may seem fragile, but butterflies have crossed continents, survived extinctions, and shaped cultures. They are living symbols of hope, change, and resilience. During the Cold War, the US military studied how butterflies camouflage themselves to develop better disguises for pilots. Medical researchers use butterflies to image blood vessels and brain tumors. And engineers are creating self-healing materials inspired by butterflies' ability to regrow damaged wings. But wait, there's more. Butterflies can remember experiences from when they were caterpillars, despite completely changing bodies. Some species mimic toxic butterflies to trick predators, nature's version of identity theft. And although they may look delicate, butterflies play a vital role in pollination. In fact, one study found that a single butterfly can pollinate up to 2,000 flowers in its lifetime. That's a lot of plants turned into beautiful blossoms, thanks to a butterfly's fuzzy little body. Now let's turn our attention to a pressing issue. In recent decades, climate change and habitat destruction have caused alarming declines in butterfly populations. The monarch butterfly, once so common in North America, is now considered endangered. This decline has significant implications for both wildlife and humans. As pollinators decline, so do the crops that depend on them, which means less food for everyone. But butterflies aren't just pretty, they're political. On the one hand, butterfly farming has helped boost their numbers and provide income for local communities. On the other hand, critics argue that it can disrupt natural ecosystems. So the question remains, are we protecting butterflies or exploiting them? We've come full circle. Butterflies are more than just beautiful creatures. They're survivors, transformers, and even revolutionaries. Their beauty hides a complex story of struggle, adaptation, and resilience. And while their future remains uncertain, one thing is clear: butterflies deserve our admiration, respect, and most importantly, protection. Because in their delicate wings lies a story that mirrors our own, a story of constant change, incredible beauty, and the never-ending quest for survival. As we conclude our journey into the secret life of butterflies, I encourage you to become part of their story. Make a butterfly-friendly garden, support conservation efforts, or simply spread awareness about their plight. Together, we can ensure that these winged wonders continue to grace our planet for generations to come. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't miss out on future adventures. Subscribe for more updates and join the conversation. Your thoughts and comments matter. Share your butterfly stories and insights below. Until next time, keep exploring, keep asking questions, and above all, keep embracing the beauty of our natural world. And remember, within each of us lies a bit of butterfly magic waiting to unfold. End screen with social media handles and a call to action to subscribe for more episodes of Mysteries of the Natural World.